Today's wine text is the 2016 Podere Montale Peposo Rosso Toscana. So this is actually a pretty cool wine that we found from Tuscany, Italy. Rosso Toscana basically means it's a wine on a base level in the region of Tuscany. This is primarily Sangiovese, some Cabernet Sauvignon, and some Merlot as well. But definitely built on a very vibrant, kind of fresh style of red wine. Cool part about this producer, really hands-on, really wants to express the terroir. They have one of the most unique terroirs in the entire region, being on the slope of a volcano. Why is that important? Is because the slope allows maximum exposure to sun, which gives maximum ripeness, on top of the fact that the soils themselves are very volcanic, which gives a natural minerality, almost like a smoky, peppery kind of thing going on within the wine. When it comes to Rosso Toscana, there's a lot of wines in that kind of $10 range that I think a lot of people associate Rosso Toscana for, but when you're able to spend a little bit more in that $20, $30 range, you get some really exceptional wines that I find that at a very young age drink very, very well. And like I said, it's basically a really approachable, fresh style wine. I think just going into it without even tasting it yet, I think there's definitely some age that you could give this wine, maybe 4 years at the most, but really meant to be drank young, enjoyable, really approachable red wine, and I'm super excited to bring it to you. So the color itself is actually, that medium color. You can't see through it, but it is, kind of pretty dark. I'm expecting a lot of red fruit, a lot of dark fruits on the nose, which is pretty apparent. I think I get a lot of red currants, a lot of red cherry. There's a little bit of this kind of red plum thing going on as well, but definitely, fresh red fruits and fresh fruits. There is that little bit of underlying smokiness, almost like a granite thing going on. I think comes from the volcanic soil as well. And on the palate, I think it's pretty confirmed of all these things. There is a little bit more of this kind of green herbaceousness that comes through on when I'm tasting it more than the nose, but definitely high acid, definitely really clean, fresh style red wine. This is a great wine for kind of family dinners where you're trying a bunch of different things. I think it'd go really well with heartier fish, and I think it could hold up to most meats. Maybe not something as dark as like a ribeye or something like that, but definitely kind of a very approachable wine that everyone can enjoy. So really cool stuff. I know it's got a crazy good rating. Super excited to bring it to you guys. I'm sure we're going to sell a ton of it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.